growing up, I didn't go to a lot of museums. Um, you know, my mom didn't read me books about prominent artists or anything. So my exposure to art actually came through film, which is shocking. I know. If I had to guess, my first film that I ever watched was probably a Bollywood film, because that's what I watched a lot of in my early childhood. But I also watched a lot of Disney, a lot of TV. We used to bootleg DVDs and torrent things through the early internet. I say this to say that I feel as though I lack a foundational base of knowledge when it comes to cinema. Frankly, I just don't get the references people are making sometimes, especially in contemporary films when they're paying homage to the classics in some way or another. I also think this presents an interesting opportunity for me, an exciting opportunity actually. Um, as someone who has spent so much time developing his analytical skill and possessing so much self-reflection, um, I think exposing myself now to the classics, or honestly, to broaden my horizons through different art movements and books and music, I feel as though I can really take ownership and control of the way that my voice develops, my style develops. And as cathartic as it has been to let my past experiences and my culture define me and my art up until now, um, I think moving forward, I really want to spend a lot of time charting a different course.
Okay, cut.